Good afternoon. It's Jared Havens here, your financial freedom strategist and CEO of Credilife, a financial wellness company. We here at Credilife believe in empowering people to have more opportunity in their lives, to seek and achieve and live the life that you deserve. Okay? So tonight, part of that mission is through our workshops. Tonight, we are having our mortgage readiness workshop, right? 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern tonight. What we're going to be going over is credit hacks and strategies to have ultimate buying power. I'm going to teach you tips and tricks to put yourself in a better position for the mortgage when you apply, so that way you have more buying power, you're going to get the best terms, and you're going to be able to compete in this market. That's very critical. So if you're looking to buy a home, this market's hot, as we all know. I'm going to teach you tricks on how to compete in this market so your offers go from the bottom to the top of the pile. See you tonight.